guys, welcome back. We are going to get the trees decorated today. I'm so excited. Well, we're going to get 2 of the trees decorated. We're going to get our little 4.5-foot tree here in the den decorated, and my daughter-in-law is going to get the tree in the men's lounge upstairs decorated. The tree in the men's lounge has its own theme, so she was excited to get to that. And I have this tree here, which is going to mimic what I'm going to be doing on the main tree in the family room. I'm going to walk you guys through all of the decor that we have, and then I'm going to set the camera up and I'm going to capture her decorating that tree. Then we're going to come downstairs and we're going to get this tree decorated. So let's head over to the dining room where I have everything all spread out. I have a table in the family room and I've got everything ready to go. I'm so excited to get started. All right, we got Christmas set up everywhere. So I'm going to walk you through and show you. I know it's organized chaos. Let me show you everything. So everything over there is for the tree and the mantle, and I'll walk you over there and show you. This is for the tree upstairs. So we got these beautiful ornaments that I showed you in my haul, this beautiful ribbon, and I got a gold ribbon too. I'm wondering if she wants to use it. I set it out. I also have, to go with all of this, a whole container of these beautiful ornaments as well. That is the tree for the men's lounge. This is the den tree stuff. I have the bulbs I showed you in my haul. I got these last year, so we'll be adding these to it. These are so gorgeous. I love them. I got some fringed ribbon that looks pretty much like the bows. It's almost identical as far as color goes. I'm going to see if I can use one of these to make a few ribbons for that tree so that it coincides with the one in the family room. We got some lights, so I can add more lights to that tree. And then I got some hard foam. I'm going to be potting it up, so I'm going to put these discs inside the pot. I bought 2, and then I'll just punch the tree down in the center, and then I got some moss to go over the top and cover it up. And then over here is everything that I got. So you guys already saw these. I showed them in my haul. I have 2 containers of those. And then I got all of these gorgeous, beautiful ornaments. Now these are all glass, and these are all going on my tree here, the main tree. Just beautiful. I love them all. I don't know about the green ones here. I don't think I'm going to be adding those. I'm not sure. We'll see. Because I got these and I thought, well, they kind of go. I mainly got them for these 2 rows right here. Those are kind of bonus. And then I have my big, beautiful bows, which I already put one on the tree because I wanted to see how it looked. And it's gorgeous. And then I have these ribbons that I'm going to be working with. I'm going to do something really fun with this one. So I'm excited about that. And then for the mantle, I already put up 2 of the garlands that I showed you in my haul, but I'm going to beef this up because I do like that it hangs, but I don't like that it hangs and you can see this. So we're going to fix that by using another garland that I got at Michael's. I'm going to show you how I plan on doing that. I also got every single magnolia garland that they had because we're going to be adding that to the tree and the mantle. I'm very excited. I got these lights here for the mantle. The bummer part is I'm going to have to add batteries to all 3 of them. I got 3 because I want it really well lit, but they do come on a timer and I like that because the ones that came with were just a little bit too warm. These here were a little bit too warm. So anyways, and then all of this is part of, you know, the accoutrements of decorating. Some stuff goes outside and yeah, but I have my little station set up, so I'm excited. Let's get started. So I've had these drying in the oven, some oranges for a few hours here. I'm just about ready to take them out. So those are also going on my garland and my tree. Very excited. Okay, Tiffany's gonna do her thing. She's gonna get this tree all decorated. I'm gonna set you guys up and let you guys watch. didn't she do a beautiful job? I'm going to give you guys a tour of the tree. I did a voiceover in the video, but it didn't take. So I'm going to do a voiceover here. The ornaments, the tree, everything is gorgeous. It is the perfect fit for the upstairs. I can't wait to add to this tree now that we have it up. All the trees this year are new, so it's first year decorating all of them, and we will be adding as the years go on to each tree. So that'll be fun. We ended up putting a blanket, one of the blankets from the loft, at the bottom of the tree, and it was the perfect touch to this tree. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at night from outside, so stay tuned till the end of the video when I show you that. It is exactly what I wanted the upstairs to look like from the outside when the house is all lit up and we do the outside decor. Wait until you see it, guys. It's classic and beautiful. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was so much fun. Now we're going to get this tree done. It is just about 5 p.m. It is pitch black outside. My plan is to share this tree and the upstairs tree in this video. Then I'm going to share the family room tree and the mantle all in one video as well. And then we will follow up with videos of all the other decor we're going to be putting up. So I've already showed you everything I plan on using, so I'm just going to set you guys up. I'm going to put it together, and then I'll walk you through everything I did afterwards. Okay, guys, it is done. Looks beautiful. I need to get a tree topper for this one too. But I love it. She looks so beautiful. So I ended up using one and some of the other roll, and I was going to do bows, but it was taking up too much of this. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to add another color of blue in here, but I don't think I want to. But I ended up adding a couple of special little ornaments that we have gotten on trips. These beautiful little blue and white ornaments that I got. And I tucked these big balls, this is one of the tricks that I do, like down into the back because it fills the holes and it reflects the light. So the tree is much brighter. Let me just show you. There we go. So I turned the overhead light off. Isn't that beautiful? It looks so gorgeous. Oh, I can't believe how beautiful it looks. And I ended up having to put a second little disc in there. So I'm going to have to work some of this moss around here to hide it. But I'll do that off camera. So pretty and dainty. And when we decorate this room, it'll all come together and look just gorgeous together. But today's all about the trees, or at least this tree and the one upstairs. Looks beautiful. Okay guys, tree number 2 is decorated. You're gonna have to come back and watch me decorate the big tree, the main tree. I'm just gonna sit and enjoy this one, and I love it because you can see this one from downstairs from the road, and then the one upstairs looks beautiful. Let me take you guys out there and see if we could see it. You can see her so pretty. We have lights on the house, so I'll be lighting that up and taking care of the balcony, and it's going to be pretty. Excuse the mess because we're in decorating mode, but this is why I want the 2 trees to kind of coordinate, because you'll be able to see them when you walk in the house. Is that not beautiful? Ah, I can't wait to get done. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some motivation to decorate a tree or 2 in your home today. We have lots of decorating coming up, so if you're into that and you're excited to watch this house transform into a beautiful Christmas home, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure to click that bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. It's free. Thanks for staying until the end, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.